Alright, today I received my Raptor Pro refurbished. Well, the box doesn't look too great, but let me open. No damage on the case, solid case. Got a user's manual, an adapter. Got some dots, big dots, small dots, a screen wipe. Power cable, data cable. Boxing all looks new for refurbished. Got some power adapters. Power adapter. The bag's ripped. There's the scanner. New labels on the lenses. No scratches. Pretty clean. Underneath. I've got a calibration board. Okay, we're back. I went to Creality Cloud, downloaded the software. We'll install it. Okay, and software has been installed. We'll open it up. Click some buttons. Got some updates to do. Okay, updates have been completed. We need to pick our scanner. This is a Raptor. Video on how to get it hooked up. You could choose USB or Wi-Fi. You need the bridge for the Wi-Fi. So we go USB. Need to update the firmware. All right, updates are done. Firmware is updated. We're going to go ahead and calibrate it. All right, we're going to start the calibration. All right, got a turntable, my first scan. Not so great, but I guess we'll get better at it over time. Thanks for joining me.